Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be talking about this very good shipment script. As you can see, we are at the front end right now of this script, the landing page. This is an overview on the landing page. Very smooth, professionally built. You have the testimonial part. You can also put in trusted partners and the stuff. And the one good thing about this script is that everything on this script is easy to set up. You don't have to go into the codes to control those setup. You can just control them from the admin. Very easy to set up. So today we are going to be looking at how the shipment looks like, the life map on it and everything. And after that, we are going to go straight into how to build this. So let's put in this. So the shipment comes in numbers and letters, but this is a demo one, so you can see how it looks like. It is very, very beautiful. It's a beauty to build. It's a beauty to build, an actual beauty to build. So it has a part for clearance fee, so on and so. This is supposed to be the parcel photo. Also, as you can see, this is how it looks on mobile. Let's look for our mobile version. This is how it looks on mobile. So this is what we have on mobile, as you can see. Very beautiful. And our life map shows here too. Very, very beautiful, as you can see. Yeah. So we're going to be going straight into the video. So first of all, you get your cPanel, your domain and your hosting, which you can get from QuickVerse. Yeah, let me introduce you to QuickVerse. So QuickVerse is a platform that sells scripts. They also sell hosting plans, very good hosting plans. So you can hostings, very good hostings. You're looking for Iron Shield hostings, looking for offshore hostings, you can get it from QuickVerse. You can also get script from QuickVerse, but let's look at that later. Let's go straight into this video. So this is our cPanel. I'm going straight to the file manager. We are going to create a subdomain or a folder. So that's going to be acting as my own public HTML. But if you are putting it into your public HTML for the first time, and that cPanel that you bought is for only that project, all you have to do is to click into your public HTML and you're good. But this one, as you can see, I have a lot of script here. So I'm going to be creating a folder, and I'm going to call this folder let's see. Okay, I'm going to be creating a subdomain. If you have never created a subdomain before, this is a good time to learn how to create one. So I'm going to be creating a subdomain. I'm going to call that subdomain, let's call it test. So create the main domain to create the subdomain. Let's call this subdomain test1 dot. So once it's here, we click on submit. All right, so we just did create our subdomain, and this is our subdomain here, test1. As you can see, I have a lot of subdomains here already. So we are going to come here and go to our public HTML. This is our public HTML of this particular subdomain. But for you, all you just have to go to is your file manager and click on public HTML. This is, look at what I'm hovering over. That's if you are doing it for a new file, for a new project, and that cPanel is just for that project, your public HTML or a subdomain or whatever you're using. This part I'm overemphasizing on, it's just for beginners. So now let's go and upload our script. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how to get this file. So we're going to go to this is our script. So while it is uploading, we can be setting up other things. So basically, I break down my steps into three. First, upload. Second, setup of database. And third, edit. Edit is very broad. It's the more broader one. So let's go to our SQL. let's create our database. So let's go to database wizard to create our database. Let's call this db tests one. I copy that part. I go to next step. I paste what I just copied inside here, and I come here, copy this thing without the marks on top, without the quotes. I copy it and I paste it here also. Paste it here also as the password. So what we are trying to do is that we are trying to make this identical. The password, the username, and the name of the database the same. So we'll go to next step. All right, so now this acts as our database username, database name, and database um password. So let's see how far our stuff has gone. Okay, so we're still waiting for that. So we're waiting for the first step to do, which is upload. Now we're on the second step, which is data creating database or creating your database. So creating your database involves connecting your database also. So we'll go to PHP admin. All right, so we look for what we just created. We just created test one, so db test one. That's what we just created. I'll come here, we click on import. SQL is inside the file, so wait for it to upload. Just follow me step by step and you will not be confused. Thank you very much. Very good and fine. This is done uploading. Let's wait for all right. Go back. It's done uploading. Then extracting this into this place. I'm going back, reload so that you can see what you just did. Zip ship, extract again. All right, so reload to see what we have done. All right, so before we go into this, let's download this database. Now once you download it, it will be in your downloads, or it will be wherever you are rerouting your files once you download it to go to, but most likely is in your downloads. What do I mean? This is what I mean. It's in your downloads right now, and this is your download database of SQL. So we'll go back to this place, PHP admin, where we click this before. So we're waiting for the SQL file. We click here and click on the database SQL to upload that particular database SQL, and we import it. Now, why this is important? Yeah, it's done. It's done importing. Now we go back to our file manager. Remember, this is our public HTML, and we just unzip this one too, and we just unzip the zip ship also that's inside of it. So we click on select all. We are now moving this everything we selected. We are moving into the main public HTML. Remember that our own public HTML is this right now for this project. Your own public HTML most probably will be only this. So always remember that. So I'm clearing this other part and I'm moving it into public underscore HTML. Good and fine. So as there's an installation guide that comes with the script, so you can also use that. But this installation guide is enough for you. So we click on edit the .env file. Now, one thing you have to do, you might have an issue looking for your own .env file. I've seen a lot of people that usually have this issue. So before you start anything on your cPanel, always make sure to go to settings in your file manager and click on show hidden file, then you save it. So that if I click on showing you, I might not see this env file again. So you come to your env file, right click and go to edit. You see this part. So right now we are going to be moving this moving these details. We are going to be putting our own details inside our own details from here where we created this. So click on copy, then put, remember it's identical. The way I'm doing it is everything is identical exactly. So come here, also remove this URL. So you always meet the URL from scripts that you got from the place that it was done. Sometimes if it's done on the localhost of that person, you might not meet any URL there, but most of the time you meet URL there. So What you are doing is that you are removing that part in the configuration. You are putting your own URL, your own URL. Let's look for our own URL. So let's go to domains again. Okay, let's go to domains. All right, so these are URL. This is what it looks like now. Remember, because we just created it and we're setting it up. So come here and put in this watermark account to save right now. Okay. Okay, so for some reasons I'm not getting what we want. So let's go to let's look for this. Right now is in 4.4 PHP. Let's take it to 8.2. Apply. Very good and fine. We got our stuff working, we got our stuff up. So this is what it looks like. Right now, this is what it looks like. So it's very simple, straight to the point. Set up everything you want to set up. You can choose to go to the admin or you set it up here. You set it up with these settings. Every other thing set it up here. Just click come here, edit this part, and start putting in your own name. That's what edit is all about. The third part. Start putting in your own name of your own link so that it follows up with everything you want to do. So let's call it JJ Shipment. We put JJ Shipment. Welcome to JJ Shipment. To start editing to what you want it to be. So thank you very much. This video is strictly for educational purpose. If you want this script, you can send me a direct DM or you can go to Quickverse to get your script. Now, Quickverse sells a number of scripts, all for educational purpose, and also, I think for now, with some other good hostings, they have the best of hostings right now. So you can go here, get your script. You can go here also. You can get hostings. They have panels on. They have a customized panel and also the C panels. So you can also get your script. You can get your C panels here and so on and so forth. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do like, share, and comment. For new subscribers, if you are coming across this video for the first time, please do like, share, and subscribe. For returning subscribers, thank you very much for staying with me. Thank you very much.